Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this BLACK+DECKER 2-speed hammer drill with an 18-volt lithium-ion battery on a 1.5 ampere hours and included the charger 400 mAh. The model is BDASB18V. It is ideal for all drilling tasks in a masonry and concrete up to 10 mm, in a wood up to 25 mm, in a metal up to 10 mm, for building flat pack furniture, for any DIY drilling and screw driving jobs around the home, in a timber, metals and plastics. I'm sure definitely gonna find out the right way to use this tool. But before buy it and use it, well, just watch my video and you're gonna find out all about this product. Let's see now what we have inside. And of course we've got the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. We've got the charger, connect to the battery, plug it in, green light is flashing. When it's fully charged, green light will be solid green. Great. And it takes about 3 hours to charge this battery. And we've got the BLACK+DECKER Power Connect lithium 18-volt 1.5 ampere hours battery. Easy to connect. Quick and simple battery change, and a more secure fit with a clip in a battery system. Nice. Anti-slip soft grip, which provides a comfort when drilling is in use. I like the orange, black, we've got some gray here around, gray at the on-off switch, forward and reverse button, center locks. In a lock mode, it can only turn on the working light. LED work light illuminates the work area when drill is in use. Nice. Always ready to use, the lithium-ion battery holds over 80% of the charge over 90 days, which not in use the tool. I like that, thumbs up, because you don't use every day your power tools, but in the right time you want to use the power tool, it will have battery that is maximum 90 days. Now, we've got the 2-year high speed for drilling into a wood and steel, low speed for controlling drilling. The powerful 2-speed hammer drill delivers high performance with provides 21,000 beats per minute for fast and efficient drilling. And the ultra-compact and lightweight design, it is ideal to use at any condition and do your job. And with the torch adjustment collar, we've got 11 position clutch, provides precise control for drilling into a wood, metal, plastic and all screw driving tasks. Choose what is the best torch for you and just use it. Of course, we've got in the drilling mode, first year, second year, and the hammer mode. All that we're gonna try it and see how it works in a real condition. Drilling in soft brick, concrete, wood, metal, and definitely we'll find out if it's worth to have this tool. Here we've got the bit holder, double side, easy to have it at the right moment, locks here, and at the front we've got an automatic chuck. It is from 1 to 10 mm. Well, nice of that, I think it's time for move on for testing. First I will use the 10 mm drill bit for concrete and soft wood, automatic chuck and locks. And we need to adjust on a concrete mode, second year. Easy, that was a soft brick. And now let's test it on a concrete. And I think it has done the job, as you can see, and with the concrete, with no problem, it can drill very well. That was a hard concrete. Of course, you need to have a good drilling bit for concrete. That's how you will help this hammer drill to drill faster and better. And now let's move on a 10mm drill bit for wood. Okay, second year first. Let's go to second year, drill mode. And very easy all the way. Now let's change on this. And all the way in. This is a 14mm front at the head. Nice. Now let's try some screws, beginning with a smaller. Go to 10. Ooh, very fast. Longer screw. Okay, and again, thicker screw, first gear, and all the time you can adjust with the trigger. Okay, nice. Now let's move on a bigger screw. 10 again, second year. Maximum on drilling mode, and with no problem it can screw that. That was a 10mm head screw. Now let's go on a 13mm. That is a long screw. Oh. Well, that is the maximum torque that it can give. No more. Here, nope. That is the maximum. Now let's try drilling on this metal. Nice. And of course, again, it matters to have a good metal drill bit. Well guys, that was all about this BLACK+DECKER 2-speed hammer drill. If that is a soft brick, hard concrete, wood, steel, definitely it can drill. It can do more than you think, because this tool is made for home DIY projects. Have it to your home and do your thing, not for a professional use. It can screw very well. Of course, it has the limits. Longer screw, it's getting harder to do the job, but you have seen the test. I think you have made the conclusion. It cost about 55 euros, and it is what it is. It is what you get at this box. For me, it's doing a great job. I think it is the tool that you need to have at your home and do your projects, your job, wherever you want at the right time. And with all of guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button, and that was all. Share this video. You never know who may need it. and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.